Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Here's a very simple recipe for a potato cheddar tart. To start, grate 150 grams of cheddar cheese. Dice half a red onion. Dice 2 cloves of garlic. And finally chop a handful of fresh parsley. Season the onion with a tablespoon of olive oil. In another bowl, combine garlic and parsley. Then season them with some salt, pepper, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Peel 2 medium-sized potatoes and slice them thinly using a mandolin. Season with some salt and pepper and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Turn until both sides are well coated. Roll out a sheet of puff pastry and pick it with a fork. Place it upside down on a baking tray. Sprinkle with the cheese. Layer the potatoes, leaving border of 1 centimeter. Fold the edges over. Bake on the lowest rack for about 10 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle the tart with onion and brush with the parsley mixture evenly. Pop it back into the oven for another 10 minutes.